Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a speedy southern breakfast recipe that I'm calling breakfast in a bun. For this recipe you'll need shredded cheese, ground breakfast sausage, bacon, eggs, frozen hash brown patties, and frozen bread dough. Once you have thawed the dough and are letting it rise, begin by air frying the frozen hash brown patties at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. While the hash browns are frying, dice and fry the bacon in a cast iron skillet. Once the bacon has begun to crisp up, add the ground breakfast sausage to the skillet until fully cooked through and broken up into small pieces. Set the meat mixture and the hash browns aside, allowing them to cool. Next, whisk the eggs, in the same skillet that was used for the meat mixture, scramble the eggs to your liking. Just a quick reminder before we continue the recipe, don't forget you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Once the eggs are cooked through, add them to the meat mixture along with the shredded cheese and stir to thoroughly combine, ensuring even distribution of each ingredient. Now, lightly flour a baking mat, take a loaf of the bread dough, and slice it into 5 equal dough balls. Press a piece of the dough flat using your hands, place half of a hash brown on the flattened dough, and then scoop a third of a cup of the bacon, sausage, egg, and cheese mixture into the center. Begin pulling up the sides and pinching them together until fully sealed. Place your breakfast in a bun ball on an oiled baking sheet. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and repeat the bun rolling steps until you're out of dough or filling, whichever comes first. Bake the breakfast in a bun balls for 25 minutes and then turn the broiler on for about 3 minutes. But make sure and watch so the tops don't burn. You just want them golden and crispy. Once they're finished, remove them from the oven and place them on a cooling rack. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your breakfast in a bun turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.